All right, Libby's got places to be, everyone. So let's get your video started. This is a buyer's agent preview walkthrough of 122 Marin. And we're at Lake Marin, Libby? Is that right?
This is Lake Marin.
Okay.
Yes, it is.
Libby's
Great
gonna
location in town.
Please continue to tell us about this home and the location as we go and do a little property tour. I'm gonna grab the camera and walk around.
I will do that. This is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath home that belongs to a great friend of mine who has just moved to Texas. And Linda and her husband have been here for quite a while and decided that they were going to move near children. So, as you can tell, this is the lovely dining area. And I think, Sean, you are walking in circles in the living room.
That's right.
So, shall we just go into the bedroom areas?
Yeah.
Guest bath. Need I say more?
Yeah.
As you're on your knees showing the tub. No problem.
So we have off to the right, the first bedroom here.
Yes. 2 guest bedrooms on the right.
Okay. Bedroom number 2.
Bedroom number 2 on the right.
And the thing I love about this bedroom is you have such a nice view of the garden from this window.
Linda loves working in her garden.
I'm gonna take you guys out there in a second.
You know I hate gardening. Bugs I hate. Snakes I hate.
So now we're in the primary bedroom.
Yes.
And
2 closets, Sean.
okay, yeah.
I don't know if you noticed that.
I didn't. You want to show us that?
Yes.
Okay.
A walk-in closet as well as, I think she let
Nice.
Dean have that little closet there.
Wonderful.
Yes.
All right, and a shower in here in the primary bath. Let's go take a look at the front and backyard. And if you guys want to go,
Yes.
wait until the end of the video, we're going to show you Lake Marin and the access point that is just at the end of the street
Sean,
from
we
this
do
home.
have a good sized laundry room here.
Yes, we did.
So I thought that was great.
We'll take
A
one more
great
look at
asset.
it.
Yes.
And then we'll go to the backyard.
Sean, I feel very special with this on. This is something they use on TV every day. I watch Fox News.
Yeah.
And I notice every one of them have this on.
Well, you're a pro now.
So I love it.
What a nice, beautiful garden.
Yeah, look at the roses that were. This is a nice olive tree, you thought,
I do think so.
but no olives on it.
And then we got a citrus. What do you think that is there? Lemons?
Where?
This tree right here. I see some fruit that's hanging low there. Maybe an orange or a lemon.
Yes, something.
Very cute. All right, let's pop out
Oh,
to...
look at this.
Ooh, what do
That's
we have?
Amarillo, maybe, Texas.
If you guys know
Amarillo.
what that is, leave a comment down below and tell Libby and I what that flower is. We're gonna go to the front yard now.
Now see how lovely this neighborhood is. Look.
So here's the front of the home,
Yeah,
and Libby's requesting a pan of the neighborhood.
yeah. It's a sweet neighborhood.
And just on the other side of these homes here is Lake Marin. Libby, do you think we should take them over there?
I would love to show them the lake. It is a
All right.
nice, inviting lake. I would sure love to do that, Sean.
Let's do it. By the way, you guys, we're gonna leave Libby's contact information down below. If you are interested in purchasing this home, Libby would love to help you with that. And this home is currently listed with Janice Hamm in our office, Coldwell Banker Realty. Let's get down to the lake.
But I would love to, before you shut me off. I know what this tree is.
Oh, let's look at it.
This is a maple tree. And how do I know that? We
don't
had
know.
lots of maple trees in Kentucky.
Believe it or not, I used to climb in fruitless maple.
Well, all of my
As a
friends
kid.
from Kentucky who are going to watch this will be so happy that I remembered what a maple tree was. Yeah. Okay.
Now can we go to the lake?
Yes, we can.
Your maple tree story is exciting, but
Oh, it's so exciting.
I think the water's going to be
Yeah,
just
what
as
if it
exciting.
wasn't a maple tree? Would I not be embarrassed? But I think it is. Yes.
We'll find out.
Okay.
Leave a comment below if Libby's right or wrong. Look at Libby walking down the street while I drive. All right, so
Did I
here
not tell you it's
we
beautiful?
go. Look at that, you guys. Wow. I see some docks out there, and we got some little paddle boats. Pedal boats? What do you call
They're
those?
paddle boats. They sure are.
Wow. Fun, fun, fun. Or relaxing.
And this
Take
is
your
for
pick.
the subdivision. If you notice, it's for the subdivision. Wow.
Yeah, so if you want to come hang out here, you're going to need to buy this house.
What a day.
All right, you guys. We appreciate you tuning in. If you want to give us a like, hit the subscribe button and share this with somebody that you think might be interested in purchasing this home.
Give us a call.
We'll talk to you guys on the next one. Anything else you want to share, Libby?
No, not a call.
Not a thing you can think of.
No, nothing important.
Oh. All right, you guys, stay safe, stay healthy, and stay positive. See you on the next one. Bye for now.